Hi, I'm Lisa Anderson with this week's Supply Chain Byte. So what's top of mind is defense tech manufacturing. We need to innovate and scale up like no tomorrow. Look no further than last year's statistics. China produced about 1,300 ships compared to the US at less than 3. How horrifying. With that said, we do have some positive signs. The federal government is allocating $150 billion for shipbuilding. South Korea committed to invest $150 billion into shipbuilding and are starting it with a project in the Philadelphia shipyards. In addition, DARPA has been innovating. The U.S. Navy's first fully autonomous ship was just put into the waters in Washington. It's called US-1X Defiant, or USX-1 Defiant. In addition, private industry is also investing. Autonomous shipbuilder Sardonic produced the fastest ship built in the U.S. since World War II. Definitely needed to scale rapidly. In fact, they're targeting at 50 ships a year, which will put a nice dent and a start to the process. So what you'll be thinking about? Pulling out all the stops to support manufacturing, AI-enabled, autonomous, shipbuilding, manufacturing, and supporting industries.